Maple, that's not for you, bro. No. Oi, oi, oi. So awesome. This video is brought to you by all my Patreon supporters. Go Team Awesome! Yokoso peeps, it's Oz, and today I have a special guest. This is Mayumi. Yay! For those of you who watch my channel for many years, you'll remember Mayumi because she was in my videos in Hokkaido. She came to visit me from Hokkaido, so she's in Chiba right now at my place. And I haven't seen her for 5 or 6 years. It was good to see you. Yay. Yeah. Alright. So today, actually what we're going to do today is we're going to talk a little bit, but we're also going to open this box because I was sent this box. This is called My Japan Box, and it's like a box that has, there's different kinds of boxes. This one is a snack box, so this has a bunch of snacks from Japan. And you can either do like a one-time box, or you can do a subscription where every month they send you boxes in the mail. They ship worldwide. Or we agreed to get this box before I found out that I was kind of sick and I had diabetes or whatever. So I didn't know, after I got this box, I couldn't really eat them. So this was the perfect chance because Mayumi is going to be my taste test person. Okay? So Mayumi is going to try and she's going to explain in Japanese, okay. What good, bad, or sweet, or salty, or donna aji to suki ya suki janai toka. Nihongo, okay. Also leave the My Japan Box information in the information section, their website and their Facebook page. If you're interested in checking it out. The good thing is this is a snack one, but they also have a ramen box, they have a tea box, I believe they have anime boxes as well. So if you're into that stuff, and you can do a one-time, like I said, or like a monthly subscription, is up to you. So first of all, thank you to My Japan Box for giving me this box. It's a nice cool box with snacks, and I'm gonna give it to Mayumi. Okay. Oh. Ready?
Ready.
Whoa. Okay.
Whoa.
And it says, thank you. Maple, that's not for you, bro. Oi, oi, oi. Wow, so much stuff. Of course, this is like a mini bowl of ramen, so we're not gonna make this.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so we'll put that away.
Kishu.
Kishu.
Kishu. Wakayama.
Ah, so this is from Wakayama Prefecture. Umeboshi flavored nori. Alright, so this is probably healthy enough for me to eat too. It's like a little bottle. Open it up, it has nori sheets. Oh, you like umeboshi? Oh, then you'll love this, right?
Okay. Oh, umeboshi.
Ah, that's it.
I like.
You like it? Wow!
Good.
It's like sour nori. Oishii na. 1 to 10.
5.
5? 1 to 10 got a 5? Okay. For me, I think I'd give that a 7. これもちょっと海苔っぽい。これ何? What's this?
Kombu.
Kombu, which is sea kelp. Okay. And これは抹茶味?
抹茶味.
Matcha aji kombu. Wow, okay. Well, I'm not a big fan of kelp as it is, so I don't know. It's kind of a bitter, weird, kind of like thick seaweed, I guess you would call it. And then on top of that, it's with matcha, so I don't know.
Kombu. Midori. Green.
Green. Kombu is usually blacker, but this is like more greenish. It's really chewy. Sort of sour, ne? Suppai.
Suppai. Kombu.
Matcha no aji janai. I can't taste the green tea. And it's so chewy, I can't bite it. It's from her town, Hokkaido.
I like Hokkaido.
Okay. So, これは 1 to 10.
3.
3?
No.
I think I want to say 3. Not my cup of tea. Literally cup of tea. Matcha. I can't taste the matcha. It's sour. It's hard to chew, and it's very like texture is very like powdery. You like these? Okay. So let's open it. Check. Let me guys. I don't know how to open that bag. I'm not good at opening chip bags. If you've seen my other videos, you know. Okay, nice. Alright. Okay, I guess I can have one of these.
Green,
They're
red,
vegetables.
yellow.
Green?
Green, red,
Oh,
yellow.
red and yellow too. Okay, I'll take another color. Oh, they're shape of hearts. It's cute. Okay. Cute. Yeah, it's a very like mild taste, not very strong taste, and it's like a, yeah, vegetable flavor. That's good, very light, fluffy. ちょっと popcorn kind of.
そっか。
Okay.
待って。
Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. Mayumi smart. 1 to 10. What do you give it?
9.
9. Whoa. Okay. For me, it's like a very basic plain taste, so I'm gonna give it 6. Go ahead, then. Go ahead.
小粒。
小粒 bean. 何？小粒は何？
ちっちゃい。
Ah, okay. Small bean. これ枝豆みたい。Okay. I can't open these small bags.
お。
できる？ああ。できない。I'm not good at opening those bags. But this one's small, right? Yeah. So this small bean, it's like edamame kind of snack. It tastes like a Cheerio to me. Cheerio cereal. Very little taste, like a dry, crunchy ball. 1 to 10.
1 to 10? 5.
5? Okay. I'm gonna give it a 5 too. Yeah, it's average. It's good. Okay, there you go. This says...
What?
What's this? Soup?
Soup. お湯。
Like a boil, like hot?
Hot water.
Water? Made with hot water? You put it in hot water. I see what it's saying. It's like a waffle kind of with seaweed inside, I guess. And you put it in a bowl and you add boiling water, and then it kind of opens up and you eat it. So we're not gonna eat this today, but there you go.
Oh.
These are like manju.
Manju.
Okay. So these are little manju things. They're kind of sweet. They have red bean paste inside. I'm not gonna have these, but I'll give them to Mayumi. Soba manju? Wow, okay.
Oh, thank you.
That's just like a regular manju. That's soba. Soba noodle. No manju. Okay, soba noodle manju cake. Alright, interesting. Go for it.
Maybe. ここがそば。
The outer. Outer part is made of soba. Okay. Inside red, white bean paste. Okay.
I like.
Yeah.
I'm Japanese.
You're Japanese. Okay.
Green tea.
And that.
Okay.
Good match? Okay, that's true. You like?
そばまんじゅうも9。
9, okay. So anything with green tea is good. She likes it. And then these look weird. These look like rotten grapes covered in salt. It looks like this. Kind of weird looking. Look, enjoy it.
I like.
Yeah, that's good.
これもグリーンティー。
Green tea to show. Okay. And これは同じぐらい？
同じ。
大体同じ。Okay, there's 2 of them. There's one that's green. This one's like yellowish, but similar sweet kind of taste. Chewy.
噛む。
No, so
柔らかい。
柔らかい。Soft. Okay. Hi.
I like.
You like it? Okay. With green tea, there you go.
9.
9. Oh. Yeah, I didn't rate it. Sapporo potato. Oh. Yeah. Almost. Oh, I got it. Yeah.
ヤンガーの時すごい食べた。
本当。子供の時？小学生の時。It's like mini fries. Oh, this is good. This has like a good like a vegetable-y aftertaste too. It says 7 kinds of vegetables. That's cool. I'll give this a 9.
10.
10. Oh, perfect score for Sapporo potato. This is juicy cider candy. Okay. So I think it's like ramune candy. Okay.
Oh.
It's like lifesaver kind of looking. いいね。僕は食べないけど。
サイダー。
Cider taste? Good? Candy chip.
ぶどう。グレープ。
Grape cider.
No.
You like grape flavor?
グレープフレーバー。
いろいろフレーバー。Okay.
美味しい。
これ美味しい？本当。サイダー。いいね。
7.
7? Alright, good job. Sour paper. Sour paper. Okay. It must be like a fruit roll up or something. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, it is like a fruit roll up. これ何の味? これも cider. Okay. So this is also cider flavored fruit roll up. It's like this kind of fruit roll up thing. It's like covered, it's like soft and it's covered in like that sweet salt stuff. Oh. It's like string cheese, but it's fruit roll up, I guess. Cider? Chewy?
Chewy.
Good?
Good.
Yeah. Sweet or sour?
Sour.
Sour. Okay. And 1 to 10?
6.
6? Okay. That's good. That's a good decent score. Sakura matcha. Oh, so sakura and matcha mixed together. That's pretty cool. It comes 3 packs and each pack has 2. So 6 sticks. You can see it's like a green Kit Kat. So it looks pretty good. 僕は食べない。
Oh, matcha.
Oh, actually I'll try it a little bit.
Sakura little.
It's a very strong matcha flavor. A little bit of this is probably, I'm gonna give it a 10. 7. I really like this, it was good. Not only is it like green tea flavor, you can taste the sakura a bit, and it's also very sweet. It's like a white chocolatey kind of feeling. It's really good. Haichu, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a chewy, very famous Japan snack. This one is green apple. Green apple. It's like a, I don't even know what you would call it. It's like a chewy taffy kind of candy. It's like Starburst.
I love Haichu.
You love Haichu? What's your best flavor? Haichu's best flavor?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Oh. Yogurt flavors. Haichu is good. Okay. It's a double green apple. Good?
Good.
Haichus are good, right? Okay. So what do you give this?
10.
10. Oh, nice. And that's the end of the box. So I think my box is more of a mixed thing, but you can choose between the snack, the candy, the green tea, the ramen, or the stationery or anime or whatever. So I'll leave the information below. I think that's it for today for me and Mayumi. We're gonna go to the aquarium, the Skytree aquarium. So it should be fun. Thanks Mayumi for hanging out with me in my apartment. And tomorrow you go back to Hokkaido, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so today's your last day in
Last
Tokyo.
day.
Okay. So let's go have fun at Skytree Aquarium. And so thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and share. And also don't forget to subscribe because my video is awesome. Awesome. OzzyAwesome. Take care and see you next time. Ready? Peace.